Good morning, everyone, and hello, everybody. This is Iron Man Jack. As you can see, I'm covered with this for this coronavirus. You can tell we've been knocked down but not out. This is essential, so we're going to be working as long as they let us. Trying to keep up with the demand because people do get hungry. They want to eat. I want to eat. And so we're going to be working here at Iron Man Jack Smokers. You still can purchase your smoker online or come on down to 1701 Raven Spring Road, Albany, Georgia. Or visit us at www.ironmanjackalbany.com. So as you can see, we've been knocked down but not out. And we hope to see you soon. Y'all have a blessed day. Iron Man Jack, we're gone. Bye.